This is Terrence Andre Banks with Information Age Financial Solutions, coming to you talking about how to earn some extra income, and specifically a platform that provides the easiest of all platforms, in my personal opinion, a number of different platforms for getting started with affiliate marketing, and that's ClickBank. Now, ClickBank, there's so many different videos about ClickBank in itself. A number of individuals have talked about how to get started and how to do it, and they go into gravity in this aspect. But what I came across was ClickBank University. It's actually a program designed by the ClickBank itself to get anyone started with affiliate marketing. I went to the home page here, and I'm just going to kind of scroll down a little bit. It says our clients have earned 3.5 million. It's your turn. They go through a video here, and it gives you the business insight. ClickBank, again, is one of the biggest platforms that's out there for affiliate marketing. And again, as I mentioned, it allows anyone to get started with it as becoming an affiliate, and it doesn't go through more of the process of getting with some other program like JV Zoom or Peerfly or some other different affiliate platforms. It just takes it's a lot more harder, I should say, to get started, meaning that and when I mean harder, not really hard, and just takes a little bit more extra energy. And this allows you can sign up as a really quick platform to get signed up. They give you an affiliate link and you can go through it. And you actually tons of different programs that they have on in ClickBank. And you'll see it. And again, it's one of the larger platforms. As they mentioned here, it's done over 3.5 billion for its clients, and they're not making, this is not hyperbole here, it's just talking about what they're doing. Again, I'm going to focus on it's the university itself. So they're giving you step-by-step instructions how to succeed on their platform. And this information age that we live in, we need different forms of income, and especially being affiliate marketing is one of the sources, and ClickBank allows you just to do it. Some of the things they're doing when you fully upgrade to ClickBank University, you get the 8-week affiliate, 12-week vendor class, bi-weekly expert classes, specially curated add-on trainings, CBU toolkit and traffic center, massive discounts on other favorites, and these schools. And then of course, they want you to join the ClickBank University. And it's an online writer platform. Once that first sale is made, more sales can come quickly. So again, if you've never started with affiliate marketing and you're looking for a platform that makes it easier, why don't you take a look at ClickBank University? I'm going to put the link inside the description here. I'm just kind of scrolling down because again, it's just what it provides. And I'm all about education here that's going to give you the best rooms for success. And if you're going to do ClickBank, instead of just following someone else online that's talking about it, it's best to come from the experts itself. And that's why I'm mentioning ClickBank University. When it comes to helping you build your online business, whom do you trust? This is not a trick question, because until ClickBank University, despite the endless procession of gurus out there was no single reputable source for the latest in how to launch a ClickBank-based business. Again, that's what I'm going. Those words alone, especially for when I was looking for how to get started with ClickBank, so much information out there, but I didn't understand anything about gravity or how to go about it. Even though they did explain that. Then they used some different methods in terms of some of the videos out there that I've seen. Talked about just getting a marketing campaign together, and there's some good ones. It just left a little, some of the other details that's kind of missing out. And ClickBank University, when they created their own platform, I said, well, hey, it explains everything that you're going to need to get started, and what you're going to need to do from the individuals themselves who actually have the platform. What's working now? That's a big kicker, because sometimes the things that I've seen on promoted on the video on how to do ClickBank, they're not actually basing on what's actually working now. This ClickBank University is giving proof that this is what is working now and how to actually succeed on their platform. The second most important reason we created ClickBank University is because the internet is constantly changing. It's evolving. That is certainly true. It's critical. Your online success, you're showing specifically what's working now for people in the trenches doing it every day. The way you avoid a huge amount of trial and error, you eliminate the frustration of things not working as expected, and you make a huge shortcut to the learning curve. Now the ClickBank University 2.0, we performed a major upgrade. We've leveled up. Okay, so many things have changed. That's why we're constantly improving what's already working on and making it 10 times better. And of course, this is the sales page itself, but there's a lot of people visiting this, and there's a lot of testimonies in terms of how good it is. The core curriculum number one is the 8-week affiliate track. You're going to love to be taught by Adam. Just start out making money on the internet. He's generated tons of money online yet. I want to create a product or even a website. See, it's easier path, quickest path to initial success. These are just some of the things that they have here. The 12-week publisher track. Justin generated his first $1 million as a ClickBank publisher with his own products. So they're going in here and mentioning how to get started with your own products and different aspects for that. See if this is publishing is it for you. Again, they give a number of different trainings and different access. So bi-weekly expert classes. Every 2 weeks, we bring in people who made it as role models to show Justin and Adam's training in action with people just like you. Another good feature here. I'm here to inspire you with real life examples of people who are living the dream. Show you exactly how it's done so you can do it too. And that's the only start. Okay, again, I know it's kind of sales pitchy here, but again, it's a platform that's designed by the individuals who actually run ClickBank. So that's why I was the Fat Burning Manning show. Look at that. So they're getting different people these are different testimonies from here. Even more bonuses to guarantee your success, the ClickBank Toolkit, the Traffic Center, exclusive ClickBank community, being part of a close-knit community, live events for just a fraction of the price. The testimonials come in on the way of my release to my own product, so grateful and thankful. This is it. Just Adam are so likable, mind-blowing concept. Hurry, enroll now and get started. Enroll and you'll receive an 8-week affiliate class, plus 12 vendor classes, bi-weekly expert classes, specially curated and/or trainings, CBU Toolkit and Traffic Center, massive discounts on favorite tools, live events for a fraction of the price, and exclusive bank university. Here's where I really wanted to scroll down to. 30-day money-back guarantee. As you can imagine, we're pretty cloud at ClickBank University. It's giving hope to thousands of online learners, but the best ClickBank orientation is training on it, and I think you agree. So for no questions asked, if you have any issues with the product, 30 days, you can give it right back. I always look for that in anything that I'm doing, and so it makes it risk-free, and it makes it even easier for you to make the decision. Again, I'll put a link inside the description. Take a look at it. If you're going to learn how to do anything and looking into ClickBank, especially becoming anything with affiliate marketing, why don't you utilize the easiest platform that's out there, and in terms of signing up, and learn from the experts itself who actually do ClickBank. And that's, again, if you're looking for ClickBank or affiliate marketing, I just recommend you take a look at it at least. And again, as I mentioned before, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee, but they're offering so much in terms of value and education that is worth at least to take a look at. And see what I'm looking at here. I gave you it was a downloaded PDF that it comes with as well. Discover your passion. It's only 11 pages here, but it gives you actually free information here. Who will benefit from your knowledge? Just the market size, and they give you step-by-step video format. But this is also a PDF that goes along with this. That just some of the extra tools that they give, and they break down the audience, creating an avatar of yourself if you don't want to be out there promoting the products itself with your face on it, because ClickBank has so many different products, and you got to find out which niche will be something which you will find yourself being best at. So again, especially in the information age, take a look at different ways of generating income, especially because so many things are changing, and the internet makes it more accessible for anyone to get started. The reason why I like ClickBank University, again, is because if you're going to do, ClickBank is the easiest of the platforms to actually become an affiliate of. And they have so many different platforms and so many different successes from it. And there's so many different videos about how to get started with it, because it is easily accessible for everyone. That's why I just wanted to do this quick video and just kind of look at the university itself, so you can actually, if you're going to succeed, it's best to learn from the individuals who actually run along with the platform itself. So if this video has been any help, please like, subscribe. Until my next video, I'm out, and I'm going to leave a link in the description.